Hello students, on the behalf of Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education Mumbai, I welcome you to E-Contents on Emerging Trends in Mechanical Engineering. I am Professor Sachin Patil, working as lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of MICE MIT Polytechnic, Kothurud, Pune. We shall continue with our discussion on Unit Number 1, Recent Trends in Automobile Industry. The course outcome for this unit is identify different new systems available in automobile. On your screen, you can see concept map of unit outcome number 3, that is safety in automobile. This unit outcome, safety in automobile, is split into two parts. We are going to see in this video first part, that is active safety system. The key takeaway from this video will be, you will come to know about advanced active safety systems used in automobile. Let us start with automobile safety. Even though vehicle OEM have put in efforts to impart a high level of vehicle safety, more than 1.2 million fatalities still occur each year on roadways worldwide. There remains a need to continue improving vehicle and road safety. New technologies in sensor and electronic control units and the growing knowledge of car-to-car and car-to-infrastructure technologies have led to a fusion of the previously separated areas of accident avoidance, that is active safety, and mitigation of injuries, also known as passive safety, into the newer concept of integrated vehicle safety. This new approach represents a further step towards lowering accident rates. Automobile safety systems are broadly classified into two parts. Active safety system, which consists of automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability program, and anti-collision system. Second part, passive safety system, consists of airbags, crumple zone, headrest, and seat belts. If you wish to know more about automobile safety system, then visit the video. The video link is provided at the bottom of the slide. You can also scan QR code. Now let us see what active safety system is. Active safety features engage to help prevent or reduce the severity of a crash. Active safety system only operate when needed. Forward collision warning system and lane departure warning system, for example, can activate a warning system when a dangerous situation is detected. Other systems like electronic stability control (ESC), anti-lock braking system (ABS), and emergency braking assist (EBA) monitor the rotational speed of the vehicle's wheel, brake system operation, and general vehicle stability for any sign that control is being lost. When an issue is detected, these active safety features work autonomously to correct the situation. Let us begin with automatic emergency braking. Emergency braking systems are among the most effective assistance systems in the car. Bosch has developed a stereo video camera with which an emergency braking system can function based solely on camera data. Normally, this would need a radar sensor or a combination of radar and video sensor. When the camera recognizes another vehicle ahead in the lane as an obstruction, the emergency braking system prepares for action. If the driver does not react, then the system initiates maximum braking. With its light sensitive lenses, and video sensors, the video camera covers a 50-degree horizontal field of vision and can take measurement in 3D at over 50 meters. Thanks to these spatial measurements, the video signal alone provides enough data to calculate, for example, the distance to vehicle ahead. Other function served is road sign recognition, which keeps the driver informed about the current speed limit. Another is a lane departure warning system. This vibrates the steering wheel to warn drivers before they unintentionally drift out of lane. Automatic emergency braking comes in three categories. First is low speed AEB system. It works on city streets to detect other vehicles in front of your car to prevent crashes and non-life threatening injuries. High speed AEB system. It scans up to 200 meters ahead using long range radar at higher speeds. Pedestrian detection system. It detects pedestrians, objects or animal movement in relation to the path of the vehicle to determine the risk of collision. Few vehicles also offer pedestrian safety systems, airbags as well as AEB. If you wish to know more about automatic emergency braking, then you can visit the video provided at the bottom of the slide. Next in our list is adaptive cruise control. In recent years, vehicle manufacturers have designed an additional function to the conventional cruise control system. The system is known as adaptive cruise control and is designed to use a forward-looking radar sensor that scans the oncoming road ahead, looking for objects that are moving at a different speed to the vehicle. The system has three main features. Maintain a speed as set by the driver, adapt this speed and maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front, and provide a warning if there is a risk of collision. The driver has the option to set the speed that they want to travel at and can also program the system via the vehicle multifunction system and the vehicle instrument pack to set the preferred distance. Let us see how ACC works. When a target is identified, the ACC system will monitor the time gap between the host and the target vehicle. When the gap falls below a preset driver level, the cruise system will intervene, slowing the vehicle down by backing off the throttle and or applying the brakes in a controlled manner until the correct gap is attained. The radar sensor is normally located within the front bumper or grille area of the vehicle. The sensor transmits a wide beam forward of the vehicle and covers a range of approximately 130 meters. The radar module monitors the transmitted signal continuously and calculates the changes in the frequency to identify the oncoming object. The information is then transmitted back to the instrument panel via warning symbols to notify the driver of the oncoming object or possible change in speed. Now let us see what is Electronic Stability Program. Electronic Stability Program ESP is a system designed to help driver maintain control of the vehicles in situations where the vehicle is beginning to lose control. ESP helps prevent skids, swerves, and rollover accidents. Basically, the system applies the brakes at 1 or more wheels to help correct the steering. In some cases, power to the drive wheels is also reduced. ESP has the following functions. Helps vehicle directional stability by applying and controlling individual wheel brakes to help bring the vehicle back to the intended direction. Uses sensor to determine when the vehicle is not under control. Uses a steering wheel position sensor to determine the intended direction of the driver. Operates at all vehicle speed except at low speed where loss of control is unlikely. Scan the QR code provided at the bottom of the slide to know more about Electronic Stability Program. Electronic Stability Program sensors are steering wheel position sensor, vehicle speed sensor, yaw rate sensor, traction control sensor. The Electronic Stability Control Unit compares the driver's intended direction by monitoring steering angle to the vehicle's actual direction by measuring lateral acceleration, yaw, and individual wheel speed. If there is a difference between the two, the control unit intervenes by modulating individual front or rear wheels and or reducing engine power output. Next in our list is anti-collision system. Due to the reasons like human error, misjudging driving dynamics, weather, distraction, inexperience, tiredness and alcohol, road accidents are increasing. As a result, various anti-collision systems are designed for safety. These systems reduce severity of an accident and lessens loss of lives and severe property damages. Traffic collisions can be classified as follows: head-on, road departure, rear end, side collision or rollovers. Anti-collision systems are used in forward collision warning system, lane departure warning system, adaptive cruise control, automatic braking system, electronic stability program, blind spot monitor system, automotive night vision system. In this video, we have covered active safety systems used in automobile. You can test yourself by going through these questions. Same quiz is given in your assessment sheet. Thank you very much and happy learning.